Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Holden Trax LTZ. Stock reference number 5016. This shape runs from the 8th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing has survived on the left-hand side or rear end. We have the right front door, appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory wire link, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.